Welcome to our third Biopolymer Congress. We are very excited to welcome you from all over the world. This time, we really go internationally. Attendees from all over parts of the planet, from the local region here, all over Germany and Europe, from France, UK, Netherlands, Portugal, Switzerland, Austria, Turkey, and a high number from Italy. I wonder why. Then we welcome people from US, Canada, Brazil, also from Africa with countries like Nigeria and South Africa. Friends from Australia and New Zealand, and also from Asia, for example, from Malaysia and China, and last not least, many participants from our dear partner land this year from India. When we decided to do a virtual congress, we stepped into a complete new territory. But we were so lucky that we found a fully equipped broadcasting studio where we are right now, right in our neighborhood in the University of Merseburg. We found professional help from very friendly people who guided us with a lot of experience into this new virtual world, from organizing the website, ticketing, microsites, recording of the talks, sequencing the program. We are even streaming to California. Maybe we get some Californian spirit back. We found an excellent partner in India, our friends from IPMAR, an association for plastics industry with more than 22,000 members. They helped us with announcing the Congress in this magnificent country and give us an inside view of the business in this fast developing sector over there. And we are very lucky to find the German trade organization, the GTAI, to help us with and they helped us very much, essential sponsoring, and also share with us their activities in the world. We really appreciate this very much. Last not least, we found great experts for the talks with very interesting and very informing topics about biopolymers. So you see a really lucky guy here, and I'm absolutely sure that we will make it step by step to convert our industry to be the leading one towards a sustainable and natural friendly business. We will show that there will be a build-up of capacity of more and more bio-based materials that are 100% biodegradable. This industry will not use more resources than those that are naturally available, and after use, there will be nothing left to clean up for the future generations. That's why we created this platform, to bring all of you together, to get informed, to discuss, and to make good business decisions in this spirit. Now I give you in the hands of our great team of moderators, to Yolita, who guided us through the last congresses, and to Martin, who is a truly expert in biopolymers, and many of you know him already. I personally will always stay around, and please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any input or questions. We have a scientific team led by Dr. Hirsch backstage who takes care of your issues. I will come back sometimes on stage, and we see us surely again for the award ceremony. Thanks a lot.
A wonderful good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Polycom e.V., we would like to welcome you to the third assembly of Biopolymer Processing and Molding, the International Congress on the Future of the Plastics Industry. My name is Julita Witt, and I'm really happy to be here again to moderate this exciting future-oriented Congress. This year, I'm supported by my colleague Martin Bussmann, whose specialist knowledge is a great asset to this Congress. We both will be hosting the Congress today.
We are currently living in turbulent times. Corona challenges us, and 2 years ago, nobody would have thought that our Congress would be taking place virtually. However, it gives us the opportunity to reach a wider international audience, and we are looking forward to your active anticipation. So please feel free to contact us via the chat.
The mass consumption and disposal of man-made products represent an acute global problem. Pollution from plastic waste represents an environmental catastrophe. As part of the solution, the development of biopolymers has become most urgent. How do materials become useful building blocks of natural or technical cycles instead of waste? Many materials and processes for this already exist. Many are in development, and many are still just a vision. In today's online event, the latest raw materials, technologies, and ideas will be presented.
So, what can you expect from today's Congress? We're excited and honored to open up our event with lectures from our 2 keynote speakers. The Congress will then be split into 2 sessions filled by exciting lectures and practical tackling of the challenges and developments in the world of biopolymers. In the first session, we'll focus on raw materials for biopolymers and biopolymer processing as raw material. Then the second session, our lectures address the processing of biodegradable and bio-based plastics. After each lecture, we'll invite you to participate in the discussion. So again, please feel very motivated and welcome to use the chat function. We're happy to pass on then your questions to the speakers. And also, of course, if we don't have the time to answer them right now, we'll bear them in mind and come back to you after the Congress.
So, what's new this year? Due to our international orientation, our focus is on India, the new growth market, presented by our partner, EPMA. Towards the end of the Congress, the Biopolymer Innovation Award will again be presented. We look forward to sharing the ideas of our 3 winners with you and inviting discussion. All the lectures will be translated and available in both English and German, so please don't worry. Let me thank our translators in advance. So, without further ado, we'd like to wish you an exciting and inspiring Congress.